Let me paint you a picture. It's the end of the month. You check your bank account and there's $427 sitting there. Not terrible, right? You feel like you're doing okay. But then you actually think about your future. 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and suddenly it hits you. That $427 isn't going to save you. You're not broke, you're just stuck. And today, we're fixing that. My name's Chase Hamilton, and I spend way too much time breaking down finance ideas that actually work in real life. Today, we're talking about something that sounds almost pointless at first, $100 a month. And before you click off, no, this won't make you rich, that's not the goal. The goal is to become unbreakable. When most people hear $100 a month, they think it's nothing. A few coffees, one dinner out, disposable money. But here's the reality. $100 a month is $1,200 a year. Over 10 years, that's $12,000. And invested at a normal market return, that turns into closer to $18,000. Now that number alone won't change your life, but the habit behind it will. Because wealth isn't built by income, it's built by behavior. Nearly 40% of people can't handle a small emergency expense, not because they don't earn enough, but because they never learn to redirect their money. That $100 isn't really about the amount, it's about building a system, and systems are what change outcomes. Here's something nobody talks about when it comes to money. Your brain is wired to work against you. There's a concept called present bias. Your brain values rewards right now and ignores future consequences. So when you see $100, your brain says, spend it, feel good now. Future you will figure it out. But future you is exhausted because future you has been cleaning up present you's messes for years. So instead of fighting your brain, you outsmart it. You automate the $100. It disappears before you can touch it, and within a couple of months, you don't even miss it. That's paying yourself first, and it works because discipline is removed from the equation. You don't need motivation every month. The decision has already been made. Now, some of you are probably thinking, I don't have an extra $100, and that feels true. But here's the uncomfortable reality. Most people do. They just don't know where it's leaking. One less subscription, one less meal out. Not deprivation, redirection. Now, let's zoom out. Let's say you start at 25. You put away $100 a month. By 35, you've got around $18,000. By 45, roughly $55,000. By 55, over $130,000. And by 65, more than $300,000. That's not hustle, that's not luck, that's compound interest quietly working in the background. Here's the mindset shift most people miss. This runs on a parallel track. You're not putting your life on hold, you're living your life and building safety at the same time. 5 years in, you have options. 10 years in, you have freedom. That's the kind of money that lets you take risks, say no, or walk away when you need to. So, here's what you do today. Open a high-yield savings or investment account. Any solid platform works. Set up an automatic transfer of $100 on payday, and then forget it exists. Seriously, leave it alone. And when your life improves, raise it. $100 is the floor, not the ceiling. $100 a month won't make you rich overnight, but it will make you calm, prepared, in control. And 10 years from now, you'll look back and be grateful you started when it felt small, because the biggest financial mistake isn't spending too much, it's waiting too long. Start today. Start small. Start with $100.